Is your Android phone acting weird or settings feeling messed up? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to reset all Android settings in minutes without deleting your important files or personal data. To begin, open the Settings app on your Android device. You can find it by tapping the gear icon from your home screen or app drawer. Once the Settings menu opens, scroll down and look for the option called General Management. On some Android phones, this option may have a slightly different name, but it is usually located near the bottom of the settings list. Next, tap on General Management to access additional options. Inside this menu, find and select Reset. This section contains different reset options that help you manage your device settings. Now, choose Reset All Settings from the available options. This will reset system preferences such as network settings, permissions, app preferences, and other customized options back to their original defaults. Before completing the process, Android will show you a confirmation screen explaining what will happen. If you're ready, tap the blue Reset Settings button. For security reasons, your phone may ask you to enter your PIN, password, or pattern lock. After confirmation, your device will reset all settings automatically. The process usually takes only a few moments, and your phone will return to a cleaner default configuration. That's how you reset Android settings easily. Your phone is now refreshed with default settings. Thanks for watching and follow for more helpful Android tips.